PDA आड गावागावांनी आंदोलनाचो निमाणे TCPचेर काय प्रमाणात इम्पॅक्ट जालो। 10 गावांक PDAतल्यान ऑफिशियली भायर काढल्यात म्हूण TCP मंत्र्यान स्पष्ट केले।
To stand by our commitment to drop these villages, contentious villages. But since the demand to operationalize the regional plan came from the members of the Legislative Assembly, the best possible forum for this, the fate of this regional plan to be decided should be the Legislative Assembly.
GPPDA consists of
Talegaon and these two, they're a little part of that Shama Prakash Mukerjee, little strip, and this particular area. This is the only plateau area.
That means within a radius of 150 meters.
Not radius. It is from a road take it there. From that 150 on one side, another 150. Exactly. That is the thing. All drop with that everything. Except for this, now everything goes from that area.
1974 चो पोन्नोट टाउन प्लॅनिंग कायदो बदलपाचो प्लान चल्ला।
Town Planning Act itself. There have been demands that the Town Planning Act needs amendments. That it was drafted in 1974. That today we are in 2018. We should have an act that meets the challenges of the present.
प्रादेशिक आराखड्याचेर बोवाळ बरोच घालो। मात आता TCPची समिती चौकशी करूंक सोदता जाल्यार लँड कन्वर्जनाचे आरोप करपी एक्टिविस्ट खंय कूस मारतात।
The 5-member committee had asked the civic activists to furnish evidence so that action could be taken on cases that they have cited in the public meeting. But they are not forthcoming. In the light of this, the 5-member committee cannot proceed. They have taken some decision. Chief Town Planner is a member of that committee. He will explain what decision they have taken. Information that is not forthcoming from the people who have complained publicly.
Today we had a meeting and like we had called them, as sir said, that we had given them notice and requested them to come before the committee with substantiating all those things, allegations or any such documentary evidence if they are having, so that a committee could have gone further into that. Like a committee's scope was like to go chronological wise what happened into those property areas and how it has all emerged, like in case some change was done or anything was done. But they only gave a letter on Friday saying that they are not coming up anything that, and like we should be relying upon only thing what was said in that meeting, and that whatever is there records before us, otherwise that only we should be relying upon. So nothing much was held today. Now we will be meeting again, like further deliberate, like what could be the future course of action in view of this development.
इतले मजगती फातोर्डा आणि मडगावच्या लँड यूज प्लानाचो एक्टिविस्टांनी इश्यू केला। ड्रोनांतल्यान फोटो काढून खंय कित्याय कितें प्लान केला, जमिनी परिस्थिती आणि प्लान जुळना।
वो लँड यूज प्लॅन आमी लायफांतल्यान एकदां करता अशें म्हणूं येता, कारण हाजे मुखार जर लँड यूज प्लॅन जातलो जाल्यार तातूंत भितर फक्त चेंजीस जातल्यो की म्हणून आमी डिमांड केलो की लँड यूज प्लॅन करता आसतना की सगळीं स्ट्रक्चरां जी पळय ग्रावंडार अवेलेबल आसा इन्क्लुडींग स्मॉल गाडो हॅज टू बी कवर्ड। कित्याक काय म्हणलें जाल्यार हाजे मुखार आमकां ताजे वयल्यान ODP करपाक बरी पडटली आनी ताजे वयल्यान कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव्ह डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन करपाक बरो पडटलो।
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि सावयो डायस।